Okay, here is flight number 3 of the famous Cessna. It has been in 2 accidents, but it's okay. Naked 3 accidents. Well, it's supposed to be a flight. We'll see how it goes. It may just be a drive. Okay, here goes flight number 4 of the Cessna. Niner 258er. Okay, that was get ready. We're gonna see a flight number 5 of the Cessna.
258.
Okay, flight number 5. We're throwing the plane.
Yes. Okay.
No more takeoffs.
Button.
Okay, here we go again. We're all set. This is flight 9875.
I don't know.
Okay.
Start the engines, please. Okay.
Oh. Yes. Oh.
Fuck. Good. Try to land it. Try to land it.
Oh, good job! Yay! So we had our first successful flight of the airplane. It crashed without braking, so this is a success.
The pilot is coming.
The pilot is coming back to make another attempt.
This was a nice try.
Oh, very good try. Except, hey, Vlad, the trees are over this direction, though.
I think you can take another try.
Yes.
Till we break it like.
Okay, we are now fixing the aircraft.
Aircraft.
С подръчни материали.
You should speak English so that they understand.
It's not bleeding anymore, huh?
I can't see you in it.
No, you just have to disinfect it.
Okay. Good that you stopped the blood.
See how professionals fix airplanes.
You want you want another one? I have another one for here.
Sure.
Or you want to put this
No, I don't want this one.
I think this will keep.
No.
With this one we can.
You want another one?
Rubber band? Why not? That sounds good to me.
Which one?
A rubber band.
The rubber band. Where is the second one? Wait a minute. This one. Right here. It looks professional with the rubber band.
Yes.
So we are
Maybe
in
we should
Switzerland.
give him a hot drink too.
I think you should open a business of fixing model airplanes. This is very, very good.
How much do you think we should take for such a repair?
A couple hundred at least.
It's so professional.
It is. Okay, folks, here comes flight 61 of the Cessna. We have Nikki as the thrower, Vlado as the pilot.
November 9er, same number.
November 9er 258er. Oh, we made it! Oh, and we're airborne. This is good. Oh, and we made a nice landing, which is upside down. That's okay. Yes, folks, it's the same day. We have made 2 successful flights in one day. This is amazing.
Hey, no problem, man.
See what happens when you successfully fix an airplane. This is quality craftsmanship.
Yeah, exactly.
It becomes stronger and stronger with every crash.
Stronger and heavier.
Oh, also, we have another quality craftsmanship job here of an antenna that needed repairing, just for the record.
Ready?
Yeah.
54. Okay.
Hey, that's you. Make a right turn now.
Make a right turn, right turn, right turn, right turn.
He wants to. Hey, go straight. Great, man. Oh no! No!
Guy Conrad who told me that that this takes 15 minutes to fix.
He lied.
Light a lot.
See, guy Conrad, I hope you see this, because you lied. As you see, we also use, we have a good use of tape, glue, band-aids, anything. It's all perfect, though.
Everything is working. Just give me a second. We have a work band-aid.
Can you believe this thing flew? This is a miracle. So we have a miracle worker.
How do I look? It's very important for my haircut, you know.
You know, with this tape you can extend the
The wings.
the wings, yeah. Uh-oh. You're watching real-time repairs.
Yes. Stay tuned to find out if the airplane actually flies after this repair. Okay, here's flight number 73 of the Cessna, 74, sorry, of the Cessna.
76 before.
70 what?
It's about 80.
Okay, 80 something, or we kind of lost count.
Ready?
Oh, and yes, it does fly.
Gas!
Gas!
Ja ispravi malko.
Dobrze, no daleko, leko.
No.
Jonka, yes!
I need to keep it close so that we can control it.
Not towards us though, not towards, no.
Jonka, keep it close.
Come back.
Върха си. Направо почваш да ме кефиш. Yes! Record time, eh?
You filming?
Yes,
Okay.
I think so.
I think from now on we should fly only repaired planes.
I think it was that last band-aid that is.
You wanna try to land it?
Yeah, try landing it.
Try landing?
Not this way. No.
Направо ме кефи.
Okay, you have to turn.
Малко нагоре. Джонка там е. Нагоре.
Yes, the final flight.
Jonka, ready?
Yeah.
It's behaving strange.
Yeah, that's because.
Wait, the trees are this way.
Try
The
to
trees.
put some more speed so we can go up.
No, I don't want to go up.
Up.
Okay, try to land it. See if you can.
No, I'm not landing it. It's gonna land itself. You know that, 50%.
Make some.
No, I can't.
Go. Up.
See, here's a piece. Here's a piece. But it flew.
Did anybody survive?
Yeah, I think everybody.
I think that was a successful landing, except for a couple pieces.